I'm glad I gave up cable altogether, because the stuff they're coming up with on YouTube is freaking great. You're right. Who needs cable when you got this?
Lick you.
Oh, my freaking ears. Ow. Hey, man, I don't know what's going on with that thing, but you need to turn it off. I'm trying to watch YouTube. I'm trying to watch a good video. Yeah, get those batteries out of there.
Should I take the batteries out?
Get those batteries out of there. Yeah.
Feels so good to have that noise gone. Hey, that sigh of relief felt so good, we should do it again.
Hey guys, it's Trent from YouTube.
Huh?
Hey, so you probably shouldn't have taken the batteries out of your carbon monoxide detector. That was really stupid. You're dying of carbon monoxide poisoning. I don't really get why you're laughing. So you should probably get out of the house like right now. Yeah. Like I'd say you got maybe 30 seconds.
Thanks, Trent.
Yeah. Happy to help, Alex.
Thanks, Trent.
And you're welcome, other Alex. Two of them.